So when it comes to this idea of paradise, people have this idea that I'm going to be a so-so Muslim. What does that mean? It means that I'm going to pray half the time. I'm going to fast when I kind of feel like it, when it's not too hot in the summers. I'm going to wear hijab sometimes. It's really difficult in this society. So I'm kind of doing half of my wajibat, and then I'm going to kind of do the other half of the dunya, right? So if there's a party, I'm going to kind of, not too much, right? But I'm going to go a little bit, right? If there's alcohol, a little bit, right? Halfway. Right, so we have this idea that many Muslims have, and it goes beyond Muslims as well. It goes to people of many religions that, okay, well, God is merciful. God is going to forgive. And so I'm going to kind of go halfway into the religion, but I also want to enjoy the things of this dunya. And when it comes to the end of it, God is merciful, I'm going to get paradise. The problem with this, my brothers and sisters, is that when you look at paradise, paradise has been built in a certain way with certain characteristics. When you look at the people of paradise, they have certain characteristics. If as a human being, you go in a direction where you get sucked into the haram, and oftentimes we want to do this halfway religious thing, it doesn't work, we get sucked into the haram completely. What ends up happening is that it changes us from inside out. 2 weeks ago, one of the brothers was giving an example that at his work, there was these people that were obsessed with partying. They called it, what was that, balling out? It's called balling out, okay. So what this was that they would work hard from Monday to Friday. When Friday came, their entire focus, their life focus was, okay, I'm going to go to Las Vegas, I'm going to party, I'm going to spend $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. The problem with this is that when you are getting your soul, your body used to the pleasures of haram, paradise has been created in a very specific way. How? It's been designed as a place for the pure people who enjoy pure pleasures. The problem is this, that when you get used to these haram pleasures, when your entire focus is on these haram pleasures, at this point, yes, you can't enter paradise because Allah will not allow you to go inside. But more importantly, you wouldn't even know what to do if you were to go in the middle of paradise. The things which you enjoy, the things that you are focused on, those things are completely different from the pleasures which are in paradise. You have destroyed yourself to the point where you can't even enjoy the pleasures of paradise anymore.